A little swirl there. Might suck you in.
It's deep over here. We got things breathing under the water. Oh, it's getting deeper. Oh, God. Can we? And this is where I try to pull myself together.
Sim, stand up for mommy. Stand up. Here.
Right here.
Thank you.
Oh, it's breathing. What's breathing under here? Can I get on your back? Can I get on your back?
Are you serious right
Stephen, just carry me like this. They want to eat me alive.
What guys? To the shallow end.
Here. Stay on the trail.
I got worms.
Just go past Daddy.
I just recorded the sign too. Stay on the trail. We're in the Sequoia National Forest, and this is one of the overlooks here. I believe it's called King Canyon's Overlook. So we're trying to get to some of the major spots that we should see along this route. It's like an hour or so drive once you even get in the park.
The bark feels interesting. Come on.
All right. Saw our last video, you'll see that we just moved into our tiny house, and our tiny house affords us the opportunity to live a more adventurous lifestyle. So we hit the ground running and took the 2-hour drive up to Sequoia National Park. Have to give us that high energy that he gives us.
You don't look like you got any energy now.
You got energy, Sam?
Not yet.
But you feel
Not
okay?
yet.
You gotta get it. Sequoia National Forest, as you probably guessed, is home to the giant sequoia trees. Now these trees are spectacular because they grow to be greater than 300 feet tall. So as you roam the forest, you'll actually find trees where you can stand in the trunk and also find some downed trees that are larger than you in diameter. The park is home to General Sherman, which is a giant sequoia tree that they estimate to be greater than 2,000 years old. It's the largest known living single stem tree on Earth. Another great highlight about the park is that it's home to Mount Whitney, which is the tallest mountain in the contiguous United States. Because the park is at a higher elevation, it was so much cooler than down in the valley where the tiny house is. We really enjoy all of the paths that they have to walk and hike. You'll come across park rangers who are really friendly with the kids, as well as the wildlife that you'll cross paths with. Since we homeschool our kids, we welcome any opportunity to teach them in nature. And national parks are full of informational plaques, brochures, and guides to help out. You can literally spend hours in this park hiking the many different trails, but the kids have had their fill, so we are on our way out. On our many travels, one of the things that we're learning to do is do as the locals do. So as we get to the bottom of the park, we notice that folks are pulling off and actually going down to this river. So this is called the Deadly River, Rio Motal. Nani is not sold on this idea. That face is priceless. You nervous, Nani? We're gonna lose them. They made it. I don't know if Daddy made it yet. He's sliding.
Let's go get swimsuits right now.
We're gonna lose both our boys.
Huh?
Need water shoes.
Yeah.
Swimming clothes. Let's go get our swim clothes.
You did good.
Just outside the southern exit, we come across this beautiful sight of Lake Kaweah. There really is nothing like being out in nature, and this is why we chose this lifestyle. Hey, Sam. Oh, careful. We want our kids to be brave, to be fearless, to be outgoing, and just to have experienced a rich childhood. And this is how we're choosing to do it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, let us know in the comments. Be sure to subscribe to watch more of our videos.
It's really far away.
Sam, I think we're gonna get out over here.
No, I'm brave. I got this. I got this.
Oh, it feels different.
You having a good time? Watch out for that rock.
This is the show over here. There's a rock here, baby, right in front of you.
Oh, jeez. Oh, yes. That's good. I'm cool.
Let me get a wide base here.
Oh, he was a fish. You saw him?
No, I didn't
Yeah, he
see.
just stepped that back down. It was cool. I just like to know. You see him over there?
Yeah, I gotta walk carefully since I got you, and there's a rock right here. Okay. All right.
Oh, there's a big rock to your right.
Yeah, I'm also sinking in because we're heavy together.
Okay.
So.
We're a force when we're together.
Yeah,
That's all
but
I'm
we
saying.
are
We're a force.
sinking. I am
What is it,
sinking.
Daddy?
Oh shoot.
Oh, shoot. Is you sinking?
Yeah, I told you.
See, get out.
It's time to get out.
All right, let's get out.
Oh, come on. This is so you're scared.
Hey, your mama's here.
Don't drop that camera.
Let's get out. Go ahead.
Yeah, we good. We go right up and boom.
Just because you're scared.
I told you, you're gonna sink in, and there's a rock right here. Where you gotta go? Mommy's done.
Y'all can stay.